Hi! In this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-post rumble.com videos to WordPress. Visit rumble.com, search for your desired keyword. Make sure there are videos for your search. Set your desired filtering options. Copy the final search URL. Under the WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select Rumble as the campaign type. Paste the search URL. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new post was added successfully. The video was embedded successfully. You can set the date of the post to the original date. You can also import original tags as WordPress tags. We can modify the title using AI. Write the desired prompt. Hit the Update button. Click Run Now. A new post was added successfully. A new title was generated using AI. We can also modify or generate a new description using AI. Let's generate a new description using AI. Write the desired prompt. Hit the Update button. Click Run Now. A new post was added successfully. The title and description were generated using AI. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.